a nigga been thinking. I put a 4 in a 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking. Yeah, if you would just squat.
What's up, you guys? What's up, Sister Squad? Welcome back to my vlog. Hey, that's what the name, y'all. I decided to Sister Squad because Sister Life is all you hear my Sister Squad, even though there's some boy out there. I'm sorry, I'm calling it Sister Squad, but what's up, Sister Squad? Back to the vlogs. Hey, back to the vlog. We are riding. I don't know if you guys can hear me coming from the down, but I'm going to try to download it. So we just chilling. My mom's driving, but anyway, guys, so this is how the post notifications work. If you guys want to try it out, this is how it works. All you're gonna do is comment, post notification, and comment down below after you post notification. And the first person that hits the post notification or comment down below will get a post notification shout out from me or my sister. So that's how it's gonna work, y'all. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, you know what, guys? So yeah, that's all you gotta do. Basically, I don't really have to hear me. My speaker on here is horrible, y'all. I need like a camera on the phone or something. It's just horrible. So I don't hear. That's why it sounds like a robot. I don't know what the sound is, where it's coming from, but that's why it sounds like that. But I just want to say I'm sorry for my apology for whoever's not following. That's what I'm saying, y'all. That ain't subscribing, y'all. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it up. Make sure y'all share this with your friends, family, cousins, uncles, sisters, neighbors, everybody in the world. Make sure they get a whip of it and make sure you let them know to comment, like, subscribe, join the channel. Every day. So, yeah, that's pretty much what I was going to say. Basically, this vlog is going to give out shout outs and stuff, but so, might as well keep on vlogging. I don't know if I should say that, but this is what we did. I think this is what we call it. We never know what can happen or I'm gonna sit there. But so we just understand we're driving. My sister posted a vlog, so then we check it out. I don't know if I'm on it. Yeah, she posted a vlog, we'll check that out. It's on our YouTube. She just posted it on our channel, so y'all go make sure y'all go check that out and make sure y'all just keep on just subscribing to the channel, make our family bigger, show us some love, show us friends, family, cousins, and whoever you can share with you. And make sure to tell them to subscribe. Please don't be whoever y'all want to shout out. At the end of every video we make, we're gonna show. I'm gonna try to do shout out. So make sure y'all. So yeah. Anyway, I'm just this is my outfit of the day. You guys already saw my last one. Basically, it's my outfit of the day. So I guess you guys can just stay tuned for our next video we post every single day. We do not vlog non-stop.
miss you, but I got no time for that. You was my little lady, drive me crazy, I was fine with that. Damn, how you just gon' play me?